chapter 10 we have completion till preposition of. Now today we will start with preposition with. So please open grammar textbook page number 85. With. Now here I will read examples for you and I will explain that when we can use with, preposition with. I can't write with pen. So is here you understand that I can't write with this pen. So we are showing particular thing and the connection between that pen. He is down with fever. He is annoyed with me. Fill the bottle with hot water. He is busy with his work. All his friends sympathized with him. I am happy with what I have. The teacher was displeased with me. He is charged with theft. Do not bad boys. Are you acquainted with him? The relief camps were supplied with food and clothing. Why did you interfere with her? He parted with his money. He agreed with me on this point. So children, as you know that with we are showing to connect with any person or anything. Now we will discuss about for. As you can see down to with. I feel bad for the girl who failed. I waited for you. I am anxious for her return. I am sorry for my mistakes. He is fit for the position. This book is useful for beginners. He asked for money. He fell for her. Or you can say like this, he fell in love with her. The accused begged for mercy. So here you can understand that where we have to use for. Now we will see some remember these phrases. I will read for you. On CD-ROM. Here the dictionary is available on CD-ROM, right? On the internet. On the phone. On the corner or at the corner. Both you can use. But in the corner. Drive on the left or right. On the back of an envelope. Sit on a chair. The information is on page 42, but I opened the book at page number 42. Here see, you can see the page number 42 and here you can get the information. Now see the next page, over. He ruled over a vast empire. Do not cry over spilt milk. They quarreled over a trivial matter. So you can understand when we are using over. Now we will discuss about. We inquired about her health. There was nothing to worry about. We have heard a lot about cricket. Do not worry about your exams. Try getting about the way. Did you hear about the new inventions? So children, when we are giving any information about any person or anything, there we can use about. Now we will discuss about by. It is 10 o'clock by my watch. Learn this poem by heart. She was accompanied by her mom. They went by train. Come back home by 7 o'clock. By your parents. The poem was written by Tagore. You can sit by my side. The food was distributed by them. This cake is made by me. Abide by the rules of the land. India won the match by whiskers. Everest was conquered by Sir Hilary and Norgay. So I understood, you can understand that how we are using by in every sentences. Now see last one, from. He is different from his brother. We are showing the difference between himself and his brother. Don't hide anything from me. He is suffering from depression. He has recovered from his illness. So here we are using from to show anything, any particular thing. So children, whatever prepositions we have discussed today, please study well, and in the next video we will see about this chapter's exercise. So I request you all from the beginning, whatever we have discussed in the previous video and in this video, please study this all prepositions with their examples properly, and we will continue this exercise in the next video. Thank you.